Bullnose tile, trim profiles, and careful caulking are simple ways to finish laundry room tile edges so they look clean and resist chipping. For a professional finish, start by planning the edge type before you lay the field tiles so cuts and transitions are predictable. Bullnose tiles provide a factory rounded edge and are ideal where a finished visible edge meets a wall or open space. Install them by setting the bullnose into a full bed of thinset and ensuring grout joints align with adjacent tiles. Metal or PVC tile trims offer a protective profile and are best for exposed perimeter edges or where tile meets a different flooring material. Choose a profile width that matches your tile thickness and embed the trim flange into thinset as you set the adjacent tiles. Schluter style or similar profiles often include a nailer or flange that must be flush with the tile face for a clean line. For inside corners and base intersections, use flexible silicone caulk matched to grout color to seal movement joints and prevent water entry, tooling the bead smooth with a wet finger or a caulking tool. If cut tile edges are slightly sharp, lightly sand the ceramic or porcelain with a diamond hand pad or stone file and then clean dust before grouting to avoid future chipping. Always check transitions to other surfaces and use a reducer or threshold when tile meets a thicker material to allow a safe, tripping-free junction. The most common mistake is trying to hide an exposed cut edge without a trim, which leads to chipping and a rough look, so fit a bullnose or trim instead, and plan cuts so the most visible edge uses the factory finished piece. A second error is selecting a trim profile that does not match tile thickness, causing uneven heights and a tripping hazard. Choose trims specified for your tile gauge and dry fit before setting. The third issue is relying on grout alone at movement joints, which will crack and allow water in. Use a color-matched silicone flexible sealant for corners and perimeters and back it with foam rope where gaps exceed 1/4 inch for proper joint support. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and browse examples of edge finishing options and installation photos so we can make better choices for our laundry rooms. On our site, we also help contractors connect with homeowners and participate in our discussion community where trade tips and product experiences are shared.